What's up, guys? It is Ice. I'm back again with another video for SPLASSIVE because we got massive gains. You guys seen the video from earlier that I recorded, and we're gonna we're at $157 today. I don't want to say, oh yeah, we're gonna hit $200. Like, I don't want to say anything and it doesn't happen. But as you guys can see, the price is up from the previous video. It will be awesome if we can touch $30 per splash once again today. So I just want to update you guys and let you know the SPLASSIVE is still paying. There's guys out here spreading more FUD, and there's people out here calling things scams, but they don't really know what they're talking about. So, and don't let anyone scare you from investing. If you want to join, the link is in the description or the comment section. It's going to be a short, straight to the point video. I just want to educate you guys and motivate you guys more so than anything. Because when you're trying to achieve some great things, you will face resistance. And you're going to have people in your immediate circle trying to stop you at all costs. It starts in your house, and then it leaves from there. And you guys know what I'm talking about. It's sad. It sucks, but it's the reality. And then you're going to have even more people online that you don't know trying to stop you. You're going to have family and friends trying to stop you. You're going to have coworkers trying to stop you. And ultimately, you end up stopping yourself from listening to people that's always trying to stop you. If you wonder why some people get successful and some people don't, there's a lot of people saying to themselves, I wish I just had someone to show me the way, or I wish I had an opportunity to do XYZ. And you see a guy go from 7-Eleven, working at flipping hot dogs at 7-Eleven, to driving a Bugatti in years. You got to ask yourself, how's this happening? And then you got to ask yourself, did that guy that used to work at 7-Eleven and now driving a Bugatti, did that guy let people stop them? Or stop him or her? Did that guy let people stop him or her? I want you to answer that question, y'all. Do you think that guy let people... Here's the question. Do you think that the guy who went from working at 7-Eleven to driving a Bugatti, do you think that guy let people influence him to not chase after whatever got him that Bugatti? Now, most people are going to say yes, because people will try to come up with ways to fight you, even if it sounds like it's 100% true. People will fight you over the pronunciation of their own name, just for the sake of disagreeing, not knowing how crazy what they're doing is. So the moral of the story is, when it comes to crypto, there are going to be a lot of resistance in your personal and immediate circle, and then it's going to spread from there. Do not let people stop you from achieving success. Other than that, brothers and sisters, that's going to be the end of the video for today. For those who are looking for the SPLASSIVE token, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section. No. In the description. Shouts out to, I got to find this guy's YouTube channel and what is it called? Discord. Matter of fact, let me see if I can bring up his Discord. Shouts out to, I can't find this guy. I can't find the guy at the moment. I don't know if that showed up on the screen or not, but someone did help me find the token address, because I had it as one of my tabs, but I must have like exited out yesterday. I must have exited out of the tab I had to view the splash token. But I don't really check the price that much, because that kind of stuff will just really bug you out. At least for me, I can't be sitting here refreshing and checking this all day. I'll do it like once every few hours or something, just randomly looking. But I don't really sit here and check this. So yeah, man, don't let people scare you out of your greatness. Link in the description. This is not financial advice. It's a project that I have made an initial investment, and I'm going to continue. Well, I'm going to continue to add and kind of DCA my way up while things are fairly new, because what we want is a crazy price. We want a $200 splash. Why not? So if it's possible, which we know it is, if it's possible to get $200 splash, you would get a crazy return on your investment once it hits that. Going from here to $200, y'all. Even if you got 10 splash right now for $250 or something, $300. If the price goes to $100 to $200, your 2% daily is going to be nice. It really just depends on how people think about this stuff. Because a lot of people will talk themselves out of a situation, and then once you add FUD and uncertainty, a lack of confidence, and just wild stuff, all of a sudden, you missed your opportunity. So, again, not financial advice. Wave token is going to go back up, but it is down right now, so that's definitely a thing. Let me check, because I haven't checked in a few hours. This is my investment right here. I put like $60 or $70 worth of wave. We have like $20 from a couple hours ago, so that's pretty cool. But what if every wave token one token costed this amount? This is why people, man, you got to understand when you got something good. And even if you have a lot of uncertainty, let's just go based on what we do know. What we do know is there's a project out that is extremely successful, has been extremely successful, and is down right now, but it will come back up. So if you guys out there that want to keep selling, do your thing. Because, depending on how low this price drop, I'm just gonna go crazy with it based on what I got. Of course, you don't want to invest more than what you can afford to lose. Of course, you want to do your own research, y'all. Of course, you want to do that. But I'm just looking at the data, and it's worth the risk, in my opinion, to take that chance. And guess what? Put 1,000 in, and look where we at in 5 days. Did I let someone scare? Because, man, when we were in the Telegram, there was so many fudders and weirdos. You got the yellow hand pointing to some weird link. You got a yellow hand pointing to, a website with 3 S's in it. You got a yellow hand pointing to some weird name, Mr. or Mrs. blah, blah, blah. And some of y'all fall for this stuff. It's kind of crazy. But I didn't let that stuff scare me. If I would have let that scare me, then this wouldn't be happening right now. This won't be happening. When you guys let people scare y'all, you miss out on stuff like this. And this is just the beginning, guys, because what is the current price? $27.5, $27.52. Our all-time high was what, like 32 or something? And then we went down to like 24. And now we climbing back up slightly. Click the link. I'm gonna make sure I add the token address again. If I don't, please remind me in the comment section. Other than that, man, this is the update. If you guys got any questions, hit me up on Instagram. Or leave a comment. Make sure you like. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If you want to jump in the pool, then jump in. Other than that, man, it's your boy Icy, and I'll see you guys on the next video.